You're working harder than ever, but still getting nowhere. Why? The problem isn't you, it's how you're working. Most people think that working longer hours means more success, but studies show the opposite. "80% of your success comes from just 20% of what you do. Identify your most important task each day and double down on it." Break free from distractions. Work in 90-minute focus sprints for maximum productivity. Work with your body, not against it. Do deep thinking when your energy is highest. Want to 10x your productivity without burnout? Subscribe now for the next game-changing strategy.